What's up guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I just want to talk a bit about the tech behind this game. It is called the Finals and it has the most realistic real-time destruction that I have seen in any game. Now this game has already been out in beta for some time now and people are loving it, mainly to this unique feature, the destruction. Now there's not a lot of info about the technology behind this game, but I have managed to find something. The developers have created their own destruction system inside Unreal Engine. So basically they have not used the chaos destruction system that Unreal Engine comes with, but they have basically created their own custom one. There are many reasons because of this, mainly this because the game is in multiplayer, so they have to replicate all the destruction in real time, all the little pieces and big pieces, whatever is being broken down, and so on. And the thing is that Chaos from Unreal Engine isn't exactly very good at this, replicating all the data online in a multiplayer game. So that's a big reason on why they probably did it. And of course they have more personalization going on. Now the developers are top notch and very high skilled. For example, they come from AAA backgrounds, working at EA and so on. So that's probably why the game kind of feels like maybe Battlefield or even Mirror's Edge. And it's really because they come from those backgrounds. They're the devs of those games, But of course there are only a few of them and they made their own studio. Now another great aspect that shines even more the destruction of the game and overall everything is, yes, of course, UE5's Lumen and Nanite. Probably you have heard it a million times already, but it is truly innovative here. So with the destruction, for example, when a giant building breaks down, the lighting will adapt to open up that area and make it brighter and so on. And of course the other way around too, when the destruction falls inside of a place and you're inside of that, and the scene will go darker and the lighting will bounce and all in real time depending on the pieces. Like, it is truly next gen over here. And the thing is that these tools, you can literally use them by yourself for free using Unreal Engine 5. So if you haven't already, you can check out my tutorials to learn on how to do so. Of course, everything except the destruction system, but we have on here a very advanced destruction system called Chaos, like I already mentioned before in Unreal Engine, which is also top notch. So definitely can do something maybe similar, not in multiplayer, but something cool. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to talk about a bit this game, share my thoughts and maybe the tech behind it. Hopefully they will do a sort of interview with the developers and we can get more details on how they are integrating all this in Unreal Engine 5. So let's go and see. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so if you wanna go ahead check them out, go ahead, join my Discord server so you can talk with other devs and share questions, the progress of your games and so on, and follow me on all my socials. So with all that said, bye bye.